I'm excited to show you this, guys. What's in the box? Can you have a guess? Yes. Yes, it's something to do with solar. Alright, let's check this out. What we have in the box is a Epever Tracker BN series. These are very, very popular, very reliable charge controllers. I've got one of these. I've got a couple of these actually that have been running for years, many years, a good 5 or 6 years, and they've never once let me down. So very, very reliable unit. So what's in the box? We've got a communications port from the charge controller to the PC here, as you can see. Obviously we've got a user manual. We've got a battery temperature sensor, which is good. We got the remote meter Mppt. This is where you can set up all your parameters, look at all the statuses of your battery status, charge status and all that. So yeah, very good to read this and learn how to program this controller. So we'll get this out. I'll show you this. If I can get it out. So this is the meter. Yeah, you can mount to your wall or whatever. That comes with a communication port as well and some fixings. So very cool. And then finally we have this controller. Beautiful. Get this out the way. Yeah, so credit to whoever designs these Epever traces. These are awesomely designed. Massive heat sink. This is actually quite heavy. It's all basically nice cast aluminium heat sink. Never had an issue with these heating up. I think that's another reason why these last so long. Quite simple at the front. We've got just a button for your load side. So that's to turn your load on and off. You've got a battery light indicator and a PV panel voltage indicator as well. So that will obviously flash when you're receiving solar input, and then that will be your battery status indicator. Certain flashing tells you what state the charge is in, and then you've got some massive terminals here, massive terminals. These can take up to a good 8 gauge or even 6 gauge cable, I'd say. One good thing about Epever is, yeah, they don't skimp on the quality. Definitely a good unit, guys. So zooming in on the side here, we've got the Tracer series. It's a Tracer 4215BN, serial number there, made in China. It's got a max PV voltage input of 150 volts and input short current of 50 amps. So it's rated to 520 watts at 12 volts, 1040 watts at 24 volts. Battery normal, so it can run a 12 volt system or a 24 volt system. Yeah, so operation voltage, the rated charge current 40 amp. Just keep in mind too that the maximum output current is only 20 amps, or overcurrent protection at 21 amps, so keep that in mind. Yeah, very good. Like I said, I've had these for a couple of these already, for a long time. They've never let me down. Here's some specifications for the certain models, so if you wanted to have a bit more of a look, then you can pause this and have a bit more of a look. But yeah, I just thought I'd give you a bit of an unboxing of this unit. Yeah, very good unit, solid. These things will last years and years, guys.